As an alternative, one could also use one of those rod couplers, 30 degrees rod couplers, instead of the multiplanar coupling we have shown in another frame before. For the rod coupler, we recommend to actually pre-build that frame or that bow on the back table. Not necessarily ideal to do that on the patient. It can be done, of course, and it shows some versatility, but it's easier to be done on the back table. Okay, we would start with the delta couplings. Retighten. Okay. Just final tightening. Make sure the rod coupler is tightened as well, although you've done that already on the back table. Different way, efficient, less components. That's it for the knee bridging frame with the rod coupler.